Motorola launched its new ThinkPhone series phone in some selected global market as ThinkPhone 25. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The ThinkPhone 25 by Motorola features a 6.36-inch 1.5K resolution POLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of uMCP storage. As per the optics, the ThinkPhone 25 by Motorola sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYTIA700C sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, along with the 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a large 4310 mAh battery, with 68 watts wired turbo power charging support, and 15 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, and the company promises to provide 5 years of OS upgrades and security maintenance releases into 2029. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 154.1 by 71.2 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 171 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The ThinkPhone 25 by Motorola will priced in the European market at €499, and it will be available from November in carbon black color option. So, what do you guys think of this ThinkPhone 25 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSoul Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.